Welcome to Bobo Kids TV. Hi friends. Come, let's learn alphabets with me.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog.
E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger.
U for umbrella. V for van.
W for watch. X for xylophone.
Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
Yay! We learned A to Z.